fold reverse transcription, polymerase chain reaction, RT-PCR test o swab test gilusa din sa Sugbo karong adlaw. Kinuman gihimong virtual signing sa Memorandum of Agreement sa Cebu City Government, DOH-7 o publiko o pribadong tambalanan nga muhimo sa testing o ang mipaluyo ang grupo sa pribadong kumpanya. Ang report ni Faye Marie Dumabok.
Sugdan sunod simana dinhi sa Cebu City ang labing unang pooled PCR testing sa Central Visayas. 4,000 ka mga mamaligya ay sa merkado publiko ang gitarget ka mapaubos. Una sa rapid antigen o kung magpositibo, ipaubos sa RT-PCR test. Si Iloilo Representative Dr. Janet Garin, kinsa mo ay Chief Implementer sa Project RT-PCR o Presidential Advisor for Entrepreneurship, Joey Concepcion, ang nipasabot sa kaminungdanon niini. Labi na alang sa pagbangon sa ekonomiya taliwa sa pandemya.
Aggressive testing. But almost always, the response of our people is that it's expensive. Large group of negative cases will also be eliminated. It will bring down the cost of PCR testing, making it affordable to those who would like to return to work.
It basically helps save our micro and small and medium-sized entrepreneurs who are in great trouble at this point in time. The economy is really struggling with the 2.5-month lockdown that
this pool testing, the importance of this cannot be overemphasized because there are many sectors in Cebu City. Jeepney drivers, taxi drivers, vendors.
Sinugdanan pa lang kini sa musunod pang mga pool testing sa ubang sektor aron mapalapdan ang testing o contact tracing. Ang VSMMC Subnational Laboratory o usa ka pribadong tambalanan sa Sugbo ang muhimo sa testing. Ang maong lakmay nitong gihangop sa business sector.
Without that effective and efficient collaboration of all sectors of our society, we could not have really survived this pandemic in Region 7.
We are left no choice but to adapt to the new normal using a set of guidelines crafted by experts that will build confidence among our people.
Uban ni Cleofer Lumayag, ako si Faye Marie Dumabok. Balitang Bisdak.